हेलो चिल्ड्रन, वेलकम टू ASA एजुकेशन। आज हम कर रहे हैं रेन एंड मार्टिन की हाई स्कूल ग्रामर बुक एक्सरसाइज 23। ये आपकी एक्सरसाइज आर्टिकल्स पर बेस्ड है, ए, एन और द। क्वेश्चन है कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस बाय फिलिंग ए, एन और द एज मे बी सूटेबल। कॉपर इज अ यूजफुल मेटल। ही इज नॉट एन ऑनरेबल मैन। एंड able man has not always a distinguished look. The reindeer is a native of Norway. Honest men speak the truth. Rustam is a young Parsi. Do you see the blue sky? Varanasi is a holy city. Aladdin had a wonderful lamp. The world is a happy place. He returned after an hour. The school will shortly close for the puja holidays. The sun shines brightly. I first met him a year ago. Yesterday, a European called me at my office. Sanskrit is a difficult language. The Ganga is a sacred river. The lion is the king of beasts. You are a fool to say that. French is an language. Who is the girl sitting there? Which is the longest river in India? Rama has come without an umbrella. Mumbai is a very dear place to live in. She is an untidy girl. The children found an egg in the nest. I bought a horse, an ox, and a buffalo. If you see him, give him a message. English, the language of the people of England. The guide knows the way. Sri Lanka is an island. Let us discuss the matter seriously. John got the best present. Man, thou art an animal. India is one of the most industrial countries in the Asia. He looks as stupid as an owl. He is an honor to this profession. ये थी आपकी एक्सरसाइज नंबर 23। अब मिलते हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 24 में। आपको एक्सरसाइज अच्छी लगी, सब्सक्राइब करिए ASA एजुकेशन।